All right. Well, hello there. My name is Jack Babcock. I've created a Google Form tutorial for our teachers here at Arrowhead Elementary School. So let's go ahead and begin. The very first thing that you're going to need to do is open up Google Chrome, and I want you to make sure that you are logged in. If you look at the arrow where it's pointing, it is circling my name. That shows that I have successfully already logged in to Google Chrome. The next thing that you're going to need to do is click on your waffle. Now remember, the waffle is the item that is circled on the top right-hand corner of the screen right now. After you click on your waffle, you then need to click on Google Drive, and these are all left clicks, remember. Once you have gotten into your Google Drive, you're then going to create a new form. In order to create a new form, the first thing that you're going to need to do is to click on the red New button, and then click on More, where the red arrow is pointing. After you have clicked on More, you then select Google Forms. Google Forms opens up with a blank form all ready for you. The first thing you need to do is name your Google form. This is the standard file name that you would have thought of if you were using a regular Microsoft type document. After you name your Google form, you'll notice that whatever name you give it also appears in the title of the form as well. Google does that for you automatically. Now, once you start creating your questions, you need to make sure that the first question you create is always, "What is your name?" You also need to change the type of response to short answer. That will enable you to use the auto grading feature to score your Google Forms. After you've done the first question, you also need to make sure that you click Required. You need to toggle the Required button for every single question. That will prevent students from skipping any questions. Now this next slide is going to loop, so I will describe it while it loops. I've given you the process for adding a new question. On the top right, it says Add Question. I type in the new question, and then I type in my options. I can add new options simply by clicking Add Option. When I'm finished, I make sure I hit the Required button. To add another question, you would simply repeat this process. These are the basics to creating a Google form for use in your classroom. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you and have a great day.